thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper on an Equinox. So let's take a look at this old wiper. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it obviously needs to be replaced. Let's get a closer look. And before this was even ripped, when the wiper would wipe, it would shatter pretty bad, and the rubber is just deteriorated and it needed replacing anyways. So the first thing we have to do is take this cover off right here in order to take the wiper off. And this is my new wiper I'm going to install right here. Okay, I'll do my best to show you how this plastic cover comes off. So you just want to pull up, pry up like so, and then you want to move it this way just a little bit, up and off. Okay, and then what you want to do is push in right here, push in, and then push the wiper that way, and it'll slide over and come off just like that. Okay, and here is the new wiper blade. Let's open it up and pull it out. There's some adapters in there and instructions. Who needs those? Take these white pieces off. And then we'll slide it under. Into place, and then I'll slide it this way until it clicks. There we go. Now I'll put the plastic cover back on. So in order to do that, I'll make sure this hook right here is hooked in. Hook it in and slide it this way. And then over here, I'll push down until it flicks. There we go, just like that. And now I'll test it out.